How to update your Candy Crush avatar. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your Candy Crush avatar or the profile picture. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Candy Crush app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you just have to head over to the settings icon by tapping on the top right corner, or you could just tap on the profile icon from here. And you have an option to edit your profile name. But as you can see here, what happens is if you head over to your profile and tap on my account, it will show you that if your Facebook is connected, your Facebook profile picture will be your default DP on Candy Crush as well. In order to change it, you will have to update your Facebook's profile picture. But if you want to log in using your Gmail ID, that's all right as well. So once you log out from here, what you can do is sign up with email or log in with email, and then you can just use your Gmail's avatar as your Candy Crush avatar. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.